Hi guys, today I'm playing Big Win Sports. Let's do a matchup. I'm going to show you my team first. So I have Edwards in my left field, Pinda from my center field, Vasquez from my right field. My first base is O'Neill. My second base is Gabina. My shortstop is Samuel. My third base is Miranda. Yeah. My pitcher is Price. My DH is Calvisto. And my back catcher is Donaldson. Josh Donaldson. Do a match. Let's use He's Safe. The cannon. Let's go with injury free. So we're up against the Smashers. Let's watch this game. I'll be your commentator. Come on, load. Freaking hate Mobizen. The first up to bat is a strikeout. Nice catch, Gabino. That's 3 up, 3 down. Nice hit. Oh, solo homer. I did not see that coming. So that takes us to the lead of 1-0. It's a base hit. Tony, oh. Come on, Miranda. Don't end this off here. So that is the first. I don't think that that's a triple. One. Maybe 1-2. They're up by 1. Good job, boys. Come on, Samuel, lead us off good here. Nice try. Donaldson hit a homer. It's the first strikeout ever for Donaldson. For Josh Donaldson. Double play. Into the top of the third. 1-0. Come on, Edwards, you got this. Let's go, Vasquez. He can do it again. 3. 3 down. That's 1. Just like that, guys. Nice double play. Come on, Samuel. Ooh. Come on, hard. Yes. Ooh, nice hit. Nice triple, Samuel. Oh, Donaldson is 2. Nice, that turned us around there. Turned around and himself. Oh, nice catch, Edwards. Got another one. Now they have a 4-3 lead. Can get that back. Quick bottom of the 4th. Now we're going into the 6th. Bottom top of the 6th. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Come on, we can get it back, O'Neal. Let's go, Miranda. That was the fast top of the. That was the fast 6. Now into the top of the 7th. That's 1. Come on, guys, we got this. That's a run. All we need is 3 to win if they don't get any more. Yes! Close. Come on, let's get 3 runs in here, boys. Come on, Donaldson. In most of my games, Donaldson has been the VIP. It's 1. It's a base hit. It's 3. Come on, let's get some wins in here. Come on. Let's go, Edwards. Nice base hit. Come on. That's 2. Let's get it to O'Reilly. Nice job, Price. And O'Neal. Let's get him. Nice. One more. Come on, boys. Let's get some runs. Come on, Miranda. To O'Reilly. That's 3. That's game. So the first game goes to the Smashers. If it hadn't been for their second inning, it would have been a much different game. And same with their 5th and 7th. So, game against the Smashers.